Hey everybody, it's Josh here, just popping in with a couple of updates and announcements as we move into a new season here in the fall. First off, I know I've been a little MIA recently with doing tutorials on YouTube, and the main reason is over the past couple months, I have been very hard at work building, and I've just recently launched my web design business course. And the course became way more in-depth and robust than I thought it was going to be, and it's not surprising because we're dealing with topics like pricing and collecting content, onboarding, and all of the biggest challenges that we as all web designers face. So I did not want to rush anything. I've been taking my time with the course, and it is launched, it is live, and I'm building the rest of it out and completing the remaining modules over the next couple of weeks. And once I get done, I'm going to get back into doing tutorials. So keep an eye out over the next month or so as I'll start putting more free tutorials out for you guys. Another thing I'm really excited to announce is something that I had talked about earlier in the year, but I am officially getting ready to start on my podcast. So like I said, I mentioned this earlier in the year, and the reason it's taken me so long to get to this point is, if you know me at all at this point, you know I'm all about keeping a sustainable pace, and I just felt like I was not ready to get my podcast going until I had all the courses I wanted out the door and ready and live. And then I'm also scaling my web design business. I'm at a point now where I'm not doing really any of the design, so it's really cool. I'm growing that team, and it's freed me up to do more with doing more courses, and I'm really excited to transition to starting my podcast. Now, before I do, I'm actually enrolled in a podcasting course. I don't know if any of you know of or follow Pat Flynn. He's somebody I just recently started following, and he has a course on starting your own podcast, and I'm actually enrolled in it. So yes, while I am an online educator and an online course creator, I do take courses myself, and I'm excited to learn the ins and outs of setting up a podcast because I want to know how to do it very professionally, so we do it right from the get-go. So it shouldn't take me too long to get through the course. I'm really excited to launch my podcast. It's going to be a collection of interviews, and it's also going to be some one-off episodes of me sharing what I've learned in building my web design business. Going to be super, super cool. So look for that to launch this fall. I've already got some awesome guests lined up that I'm sure I'll let you in on. So that's going to be coming here soon. So tutorials coming soon, podcasts coming soon. And then if you're watching this immediately, I'm going to be speaking at the next Divi Meetup here in Columbus, Ohio. So that's going to be Tuesday, September 24th. If you happen to be in Columbus or around Central Ohio, definitely come out. It's going to be really cool. I'm going to talk about 7 keys to running a successful Divi business. So if you want to meet, you want to hang out, we're going to be doing a really cool Divi meetup. Nathan Weller, the content manager of Elegant Themes, is putting it on as well with me. So it's going to be a really good time. So check it out if you're in Central Ohio by next Tuesday. But again, business course is live. I actually have a launch code out for that. It's $100 off right now if you still want to enroll in that course before the discount goes away. So check that out. Tutorials coming soon, podcast coming soon. Come out next week if you're in Central Ohio if you want to meet me and talk Divi. And until then, guys, just wanted to give you guys a few updates and announcements to hold you over till more tutorials come out and more episodes of my upcoming podcast. All right, talk soon.